Hola, buenas noches. We initiate our zenfone project with the mission to create an empowering luxury for everyone to enjoy. Today, we add a new chapter. Thank you. Zenfone 5, our most intelligent Zenfone.
And finally, it's my incredible honor to introduce you zenfone 5 Lite, the very first product of this wonderful night. The front camera is used as much the rear one, from Wi-Fi to selfie with backgrounds, from group shots to scenery. Zenfone 5 Lite has a unique 4-camera system with 4 independent cameras, where the main camera and the secondary camera work separately.
It's such a pleasure and privilege to be here in a spectacular event with Asus. We're very proud to announce that the Snapdragon 845 chipset in the new Asus Zenfone 5Z is
the new Zenfone 5. AI cameras that think for you. A phone created to you that love photos. We are bringing new AI cameras, and we pack 16 different scenarios. So the IMX363 is the brand new flagship sensor from Sony, and it's here on Zenfone 5. With a 90% body ratio, is the biggest screen area we ever have in a Zenfone. New Zenfone 5 comes with the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 and up to 6 gig of RAM and a big battery of 3,300 mAh. The sound experience is amazing. It's a new Zen-Ear that plays high-res audio. We are introducing to you the new Zen emoji. Zenfone 5Z shares the same design, same cameras, and same AI technology of Zenfones, but with one big difference. Zenfone 5Z comes with a Snapdragon 845, up to 8 GB RAM and 256 GB massive storage. Please say hello to the new Zenfone 5.
Please take a moment in our demo area to enjoy our Zenfone 5 experience. See you next year.